Welcome to Lección 2 of Español Avanzado 2 from the Let's Keep Talking series. We begin by reviewing the homework composition about a recent trip. Here's today's agenda, including review, new grammar, expressions, and family vocabulary. Students warm up by completing a fill-in-the-blank activity using travel vocabulary. We continue the travel review with a second vocabulary fill-in exercise. Next, students practice conversational questions about vacations and travel habits. Learners respond to real-world travel situations and role-play possible answers. We review informal commands by having students tell a friend what to do. Students give instructions for travel scenarios using correct affirmative commands. Here, learners produce both affirmative and negative informal commands based on each situation. We now add object pronouns to commands, showing correct placement in both forms. Students practice commands with pronouns through short, natural examples. Here they apply formal and informal commands with pronouns in contextualized sentences. We begin new content with the preposition de used for possession. Next, de is used to express the origin of a person or thing. This slide introduces de in time expressions such as de noche. Students learn de used to express cause, giving reasons for actions. Here, de is introduced to describe the material something is made of. Next, de is used to describe characteristics or qualities of people or things. The final use of de is shown here is used for forming superlatives such as el más alto de todos. We move to the preposition in, beginning with its use for location or position. Students learn in used to express transportation or means by which something is done. We introduce expressions formed with prepositions such as casarse con, acordarse de, and confiar en. Here, students explore additional expressions using in and con in everyday Spanish. Learners review example sentences that illustrate these prepositional expressions in context. Another set of examples reinforces how these expressions appear in natural conversation. Students complete a paragraph by inserting the correct prepositions based on context. We begin the family vocabulary section with key terms for immediate and extended relatives. This slide presents a detailed family tree showing relationships visually. Students fill in sentences using the correct family vocabulary to demonstrate comprehension. We learned the word apapachar and its cultural meaning, expanding advanced vocabulary. The lesson concludes with a writing task for homework about a family member using prepositions learned today.